In this lecture, we're gonna show how to create auxiliary view. Auxiliary view is folded to an edge or an choosing line or sketch. So we can create auxiliary view from the existing edge or from a line that we sketch. For example, we want to create auxiliary view from this edge here, this one. So simply we go to view layout. Here we have auxiliary view, and first we have to select a reference edge. And let's select this edge. Let's zoom out, and here we have our auxiliary view. And this is auxiliary view D. We can change name here. We can go to A. We can flip direction like this. We can also change display style as we like it. And we can change scale of this auxiliary view. We can go 1 to 5, 1 to 2, like this. And let's click OK. And this is how you can create a simple auxiliary view from existing edge. But as well, you can create your own line, your own sketch, and then use that line to create auxiliary view. So for example, let's go to sketch and let's choose line. Let's create a line here. And now we want that this line will be 60 degrees relative to this line here. But now as we see, as we shown in the previous lecture, view focus, that this line is not in the view focus of this view. So the one way is that we click on this line, Ctrl and X, then click on this view focus and Ctrl and V. Now we can move this line here, and now we extended our view focus. And now we can go to smart dimension and we can put 60 degrees here. Like this, and OK. And now we can use this line to create auxiliary view. So let's go to view layout, auxiliary view, and let's select this line. And we have created auxiliary view, and this will be auxiliary view B. And OK. And this is how you can create auxiliary view using existing edge or using define sketch.